Okay, so hi, my name is Aubrey Yort, and this is our final project for ECE 3710.
And I'm Catherine Christiansen.
Yep. So the basic premise of our project is we wanted to create a Morse code game. So basically, the idea was to have a buzzer sound off the Morse code, and then we can input the answer, and then we just have like a lot more functionality beyond that. But basically, we just wanted our program to select a random letter or number. The buzzer will make the sound in Morse code, and then we will use the keypad on our microcontroller to input our answer, and then it will indicate if you got it right or wrong. And then once you're done playing the game, you can press a key, it'll end the game, and it'll show you your score. So we just have like a few bullet points on our base game. So the first one is just a randomly generated letter or number. Basically, we just use the random function in C, and we just seeded it with time, and it just generates a random number in ASCII values. So any number from 0 to 9, or any letter from A to Z in ASCII. And then the second bullet point, we just created like a really long switch statement to make the long and short presses. And I guess at the beginning, we started with the buzzer, and we ended up not getting the buzzer to work. It was just making a weird clicking noise, and we couldn't get the delays right. So we ended up using just an LED to show the long and short blinks in this case. And that was basic functionality for the blinking and the Morse code. So basically, I don't know if you want to show that or you want me to go on.
I can show that.
Yeah. Let's see, and so I'll just stop sharing real quick.
All right, so I've got to actually run the program.
The game start is, it'll say start, and you'll click, which button do you press to start it?
I will say start, and then you have to press the hashtag button, but I can't show you because it'll start blinking as soon as it.
Yeah, so you'll see the green LED.
That's what it blinks. I can show you again. Feels like a long and a short. So that's it's blinking. Oh, we also programmed in this nice, convenient, you want to see it again? Press the A button, because man, seeing it only once, you're like, you miss it.
Yeah, so that was really nice. If you need another guess or you like need to be reminded or something, you can see the blinks again. Let's see, the next thing.
You might want to share your screen.
Yeah, I'm gonna start sharing again. Okay, so then we use the LCD display function to just display start to indicate that the game was starting. And we coded the LCD very early on in the semester, so we just utilized that. And then again, we use the keypad to start or end the game. And then you'll have to remind me which keys we use to press start and enter answer and everything.
To start the game is that hashtag that I showed. To end the game is D, the letter D on the keypad.
Mm-hmm. And then I think entering the answer is the asterisk, right? The star.
Actually, the entering answer is the hashtag again. We use the star to enable the clear the answer that you put in.
Yeah, so if the answer is wrong and you want to try again, you can clear your answer and try again.
Well, you have to, you can only clear it before you submit your answer, because otherwise it'll just give you a new character.
Yeah, otherwise it'll just say that whether you got it wrong or right. And that's just like the last bullet point. We wanted the LCD to display the answer if you got it wrong or right after you submit your guess. And then,
We can show you that.
yeah, let me stop sharing. And then after we're done like explaining little components, we can just show like the whole functionality of the thing.
Yeah, so it bleeps, and I don't know Morse code worth a diddly, so I'm just gonna throw in a guess there. I guessed W. Oh, it was wrong. It was N.
Wrong.
And then it goes ahead and blinks again. So you can try again, and you can forget all about your failure for a moment.
Mm-hmm.
Till you fail again. Because it was A and not W. To put in your input, your answer, the keypad is done such that if you hold the letter or you press it again, it will change the letter, and it'll cycle through the letters that are coded to that number.
Yeah, it's like a old school phone, like old school texting, like is shown there. So we figured that was the easiest way to map every alphabet letter and every number to the keypad.
We made it so that it can only accept one character because each light blinky Morse code will only be one character. So this way they can't mess up by putting in too many characters. They have to put in the right amount. Right.
Let me share my screen and then we'll just talk about some additional like functionality that we decided on, and then any other problems that we had. So the additional features, we had a lot of different options for this, and given more time, we definitely could have implemented a lot more into this game. But we thought that the most important one was just to display the score. So after you submit an answer, the game will keep going on, so you can keep guessing Morse code letters until you hit the end game button, which is the D. And then there will be like a short delay and it'll display your answer afterwards. Let's see,
We're going to go ahead and show you that real quick.
Yeah. We can go ahead and just show you the functionality of the rest of the game.
All right, so right now it's waiting for a letter, so you can do that. At any time you can press D, but there it is. I really did great. I got 0 out of 3. And then it will wait there until you press the start button again, the hashtag button, where it will go back to the start screen to wait for you to be ready. You don't have to, you can press the D button at any time. So when you're waiting for an answer, well, you can't press it while it's blinking. It's in the middle of showing you your Morse code. But after that, you can press it at any time. So you got 0 out of 1 because I didn't even try.
Yep. We just used polling to do that.
Yep. So that is what it does. We were hoping to add different modes. So we did program in easily expandable and accepting more than one character. And we would have just had to pull in a different mode selector here, but we didn't have time to actually make a different mode. So we just did this.
Yep. Yeah, again, given more time, we could have coded a lot more features into it, and it would have been like pretty simple.
Mm-hmm.
That's the basic functionality, and we had it displaying the score. And
now to end our video, we wanted to let someone who wasn't aware of exactly everything our project does, except for this video, and they watched this video, they're going to go ahead and try to play the game. Okay, this is my husband, Brady.
Hello.
He's been given the cheat sheet for the keypad and cheat sheet for Morse code because He doesn't know Morse code at all. Well, at least not any more than us. And then we're just gonna let him take the chair. And we're gonna watch him play.
Oh, good. Everybody gets to see.
Okay, and when you're ready, press the hashtag button. And then it will blink at you.
Will it blink the Morse code to me?
Yes, it will blink the Morse code to you.
That looked like a short, long thing.
You can play it again if you want with A.
Oh, short, long. Where would that be? I don't even see that.
Oh, that is actually not right. That is not the Morse code we coded. Because it should be a number, but the numbers are different from what we coded in for our numbers.
Oh.
That we get a different one for you.
Different.
That's it right there. It's 1.
1? Okay, then
Yeah.
put in 1.
1, yes.
1 is what you want to display.
Now, how do I enter?
Okay,
Hashtag?
Yep.
Right, yeah.
you did it.
Okay, that's the next one.
It had already gone, so you're going to have to press A to see it again.
Short, long. Let's say short, long. That's J, and J is 5. Yeah, okay, sweet. Okay, and then, oh, it did it again, huh? Short, long is U. U is
Didn't like that.
uh-oh.
You're going to try clearing it.
Clear.
Try holding it.
Okay, hold it down, enter. Okay, cool. 3. Got 3 right.
Okay. And if you want to end the game, press D. It will keep in mind that you just went to the next one.
Oh, dang it.
So it says you got one wrong, but there you go. That's
Yeah.
the game. That's how it works.
Pretty much it.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. That was our final project.